Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw Blum Coin from Telegram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Withdrawing Blum Coin or any cryptocurrency from Telegram bot involves several steps. Please note that specific steps may vary depending on the particular Telegram path you're using. First, ensure that you have completed any necessary verification processes for your account within the Telegram bot. This might include verifying your phone number or providing additional information. Second, use the bot's command or menu options to check your Blum Coin balance. There might be a command like /balance or my_balance to view your current holdings. Third, find the option to withdraw funds. This is usually accessible through a command like /withdraw or /send or something similar. This bot might also have a menu option for withdrawal to make it easier. Fourth, you will need to provide details such as the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw and your destination wallet address. Make sure the wallet address is correct and compatible with Landcoin Safe. The bot will likely ask you to confirm the withdrawal details before processing. Make sure to verify that all information is correct. Next, after confirming the withdrawal, the bot will proceed the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once the withdrawal is successful. And lastly, once the transaction is confirmed, check your wallet to ensure that the Blum coin has been deposited. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, you might need to contact the support team of the Telegram bot or the platform associated with Blum Coin. So that's basically how you can withdraw Blum Coin from Telegram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.